If you had $250 to invest in products right now, this is exactly what I would buy. So today what I'm doing is unboxing a reseller's kit, fully breaking down exactly what's in the box and also the profit. Now again, you can get this at wesply.com. It is the reseller's kit. It costs $250 for 30 products. Now, one thing I do want to say is that this is the ultimate way for you to get assets, for you to be able to sell customer facing or even just online. Now, what I recommend is doing both. I love selling customer facing because it tells people exactly what you do and what you sell. It brings some brand recognition, but I also like it because the customer can tell you what they think about the products. And that is important. I mean, it's actually one of the most important things that you should do before you literally start selling online. Now, a lot of us were scared to sell in person, and I know that, and that's why we haven't done it. But again, in order for you to get that success that you say you want really bad, you're going to have to do things that maybe you're scared to do, right? So in this video, we're going to break this down. I'm excited to unbox this. This actually is something that needs to be shipped out today. I took this for this video. So I got to make sure that this gets shipped out today. So let's get right into it. So this is exactly how it will come. All right. Let me make sure I can get it out to the point where it don't fall. But it comes ready, okay? It comes assembled, everything ready in here. Now, if you guys don't know, there's a bunch of different opportunities that you can utilize, bundles, and a bunch of variations with the products that you can make work for you in a bunch of different facets, right? So we're gonna unbox this. I'm gonna take things out, but before I do, this box right here is something that's going to ship to you within 2 days. It's something that's going to be able to bring you profit, but most importantly, something that you're going to be able to take, listen, to flea markets, pop-up shops, and just unbox. It's easy, ready for you to sell, and most importantly, ready to make you profit. All right, so let's start pulling out some of these products. Now, it does have a little weight to it, obviously. So let me, all right, y'all can see that. Let me see, let me make sure y'all can see. Hold on, y'all. I'm actually going to move this thing right here. My hand, y'all. All right, y'all can see, cool. So let me move this stuff over. Okay, so now first thing I'm gonna take out is we have these boxes that have these speakers in them. Now these are portable speakers. We'll get into it. So we have one, then we have another one, okay? So I'm pushing more portable speakers due to the fact that the portable speakers are definitely going to start selling more. Then you have a car mount, a car vent, okay? You have charging bundles, okay? We have S6 headphones, okay? I like this because it has the cling. Let's actually take this off. I like this because of the cling. I like products that can hang up on walls. It gives you a more professional feel, in my opinion. And you have these 3000 mAh power banks. Then you have the iPhone bundle, the charging bundle, fast charger. Then we have the iPhone 7 headphones. We have a Type-C adapter. We then have a bunch of privacy tempered glass screen protectors. These are good for bundles. We have the 15, 15 Pro, 16 Pro, the iPhone 16. So we have a bunch of relevant tempered glass. You get a Labubu dial. Then you get 1, 2, 3, what the heck? 4 clones. Okay, so 4 clones. Okay. So those clones are good. That's going to boost the value up for sure. Then you have another Type-C adapter. Oh, you have a universal stylus pen. Then you have the MagSafe charger, okay, the battery pack. That it? Oh, no. And then you have Type-C headphones. All right, so these are everything that you get in this kit. This is what this person is going to get, and I'm excited. This is order 4867, and it's going to New York. But one thing I will say is these products, again, are just as valuable as you. Let me explain. these products here won't sell themselves all the time. Sometimes you're going to have to put them in front of the right customers, and this could lead you to needing to actually sell them, retweak, revise listings, and do things of that nature. Please don't think that all you can do is literally just sit them on the table like this and they're just going to sell. Got to have a presentation. You got to be able to have people build or believe in you, have some type of trust. It's very important. All right, so I'm pulling out my calculator right now, y'all. Losing my voice. All right, so we have the power bank, right? These right here, we sell these for $6.50 to $10. So we're just going to go medium. We're going to just say $8.50, okay? These are 3,000 mAh, but it's more so about the fact that these are actually going to be something people can put in their pockets or put in their book bags and things of that nature. We're going to do 850 times 2. We're just going to keep adding the value, okay? And then we have these. These are the Type C headphones. These are the newer headphones for the newer iPhones. That right there, obviously we sell these for $750 on eBay. Again, you can sell that for $750. You can sell it for $850. I wouldn't go over $10 for those. So we're just gonna add, let's just do $750. I think that's the smartest. Then you have the S6 headphones. S6 headphones, now these are probably the lowest valued product in here because these are going to be, I'll say they sell for $650. Again, they sell really well on Mercari, so we're just going to add $650. So far we're at $31, guys. Now we have, I want to just do the, so then we have the car mount. Car mount, of course, this isn't a high seller. We're $7, $8, right? Let's just do low end, $7. Okay. Then we have 2 of these Type C chargers, AAA. So these are OEM quality. Now these are going to be $12.50 each. I love the Type C adapters because they just always sell. Like they never go out of style. We're at $63. Okay. Now this adapter right here, this $17.50. All right, we're gonna put it at, let's use $16.25, right? And then we have this magnetic battery pack. Okay, the magnetic battery pack, we sell this for $17 on eBay, but on Mercari I believe it's selling for $15. So let's just do 15. Let's do a low end, right? So plus 15. Okay, and it's only one of those. Yep. Then we have the iPhone 7 Lightning headphones. So these are the older model headphones. So again, these are going to sell anywhere between $9.50 to $12.50. Let's just do $10. Believe it or not, these are not cheap. Okay. So those are definitely worth some money. Okay. Then we have some of the tempered glass. The tempered glass, guys, this is where a lot of people get it confused, and I'll probably make a video about it. Tempered glass isn't good selling by itself, like just selling one individual. But if you bundle these are going to sell good. We would probably value these at what, $3.50 each, right, on the low end. Of course, in stores they sell for $20 and $15, but online cheaper, right? So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's do $3.50 each. Okay, so $3.50 each. So we got 1, 2, 3. All right. So then let's do this. This is actually a 20-pack charger. Okay, this is Type C to Lightning. So these we sell $3.50 each cable, or we sell bundles. So if we were to sell a 20-piece bundle, we would probably sell this 20-pack for $20 just for profit, right? So we would just add $20. Of course, that is a low ball because, again, bundle these, like take them out, do a 3-piece, a 6-piece bundle, price it at $3.50 each, okay? Next, let's do the stylus pen. This isn't cheap either. We'll do, these sell for on eBay $15 to $27. Like it all depends, right? But back to school, we know it's going to be inflated. Let's just do a 20-piece for this. This is an electronic stylus pen, okay? Bluetooth stylus pen. All right, let's do speakers. So these speakers right here, we already know this is going to sell for $25. This is actually a portable speaker, but it also is waterproof, very good quality. I like small speakers as they sound better. This right here is a portable speaker that lights up as well. TNG. We'll do 35 for this one. This is actually a really popular seller, okay? And I have more videos on these speakers too, because these speakers are actually really unique. All right, and then we have the Have a Seat, the Boo Boo Dial. Of course, guys, this is anywhere between $25 to $30. Remember, they sell on Pop Mart for $22. Let's just do 26. Okay, I don't even sell these for 26, but I wanted to lowball it. Okay, and then we have these. Okay, now we're gonna do a lowball again. We're just gonna do $60 each because these you can sell higher, $80. Let's just do $60 on the low end. That's the price I recommend you starting. Okay, so we have 4 of them. Okay, so all right, so the total pricing is $497.75 of what you should realistically be pricing these products, right? So remember, you put $250 out for this box. That means you made $247.75 profit. Now, why is that important? Because if you move these each week, which I know you can do, literally, because you could do a pop-up shop, you can sell online, you make $991 profit, okay? Now, again, these are products that are randomized based upon their demand. We use eBay automation, where we list, ship, and provide products, as a thermometer to see what products we should be putting in the boxes for you guys, because we already know with selling on eBay and also on Mercari with our other clients, we use that data, the strategies, and put the products in the boxes for you guys to be able to maximize your profit. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, man, because I really want you guys to be able to make this money. And of course, if you have any questions, man, make sure you guys definitely ask me. Now, before I go though, because I did want to say this, right? The kits don't just automatically sell. They really work because they're giving you assets. You're turning your money into a physical asset, which at the end of anything will always make you the most money, because now that dollar or those dollars are now physical products you can sell anywhere. And this is something you can take advantage of. Again, you can get the Resellers Kit at wesply.com. That is We Supply. That is my wholesale website where resellers like you and I can go and start selling without any resellers permit, LLC, or business license. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please make sure you guys comment. Or if you guys want any kits, definitely go to the website or text me 445-500-9600 kit. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace.